para sa tanong mo, sagot ko. Ang information ng video na to is from google.com. At ito ay continuation sa video ko kahapon. Our topic today is tips in putting tags on your video. But before that, i-define muna natin ang tag. So, what is tag? So, according to Google, tags are descriptive keywords you can add to your video to help viewers find your content. Your video's title, thumbnail, and descriptions are more important piece of metadata of your video discovery. This main piece of information helps viewer to decide which video to watch. So that is the definition of tags. So now we will discuss about tips in putting tags on your video. Number 1, make your first tag your target keyword. Number 2, use some broad keywords that describe the overarching topic your video falls under as other tags. Number 3, use some specific keywords that describe the topic you covered in your video as other tags. Number 4, keep most of your tags between 2 to 3 words. Number 5, do not overboard with tags. Number 6, get inspired from videos that are currently ranking. And number 7, get inspired from YouTube auto suggestion. Yun lang ang tip na research ko sa Google. So, the main point sa video na to is nakakatulong ang tags sa video natin para ma-discover ni YouTube, pero hindi natin yung i-overboard. Hindi natin basta na lang tayo maglagay ng tags. Kasi may limitation din yan at dapat related sa video mo. So, yun ang purpose ng tags. It can help, but too much of something is bad enough. So, yun lang ang summary ng video na to. So, at isa pa, merong mga tag generator, mga website na nag-process or nagbigay ng mga tags. So, kung gusto niyo yun, na-search ako sa YouTube, tag generator ba yun? Basta marami yan sila. So, kung gusto niyo ng maraming tags, just be careful. I-search nyo lang tag generator or something. So, yun lang ang isa ko ding tip para may idea kayo about tags. Meron pa kayong idagdag na tips para sa tags, just comment down below. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.